This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN Network. And joining me right now is Mike Muchler. He's the president and CEO of Amarillo Gold. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you: AGC on the TSX Venture and AGCBF on the OTCQB. And Amarillo Gold is participating at the Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek hybrid event happening right now, September 8th through the 11th. With that, Mike, thank you so much for joining me today. How you doing?
I'm doing good, Robert. Thanks for having us today.
It's great to have you. So this is our first time doing an interview together. So I'd love to start off with a quick overview and history of Amarillo Gold, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, Amarillo Gold has two gold development properties in Brazil. We have our main property we call Poço in central Brazil. It's a 1 million ounce open pit reserve, which is shovel ready. We're looking for our construction financing now, getting ready to start construction early next year. We also have an exploration target there along the Poço structural trend. We're getting some very good exploration results. Looks like we'll be able to add to the resource, extend the mine life, and improve the NPV of that project. In the south of Brazil, we have a large exploration project called Lavras do Sur. We have 500,000 ounces of resource there on one of 23 exploration targets along 223,000 hectares of exploration concessions.
Very good. So what would you say makes the company and your projects unique and different compared to some of your peers out there?
Well, we think one thing that makes us different is the fact that we are shovel ready right now. We're on track to be Brazil's next gold producer. We received our construction permit in February of this year. We're currently working on our construction financing. Once we lock that in, we'll start construction, 18 to 21 months to build our project, another 3 months of commissioning. So we'll be a 100,000 ounce a year gold producer roughly 2 years after we lock in our construction financing. So we believe that we're further along that development track than a lot of the other projects that might be out there.
And what's your background? I mean, how'd you come into all this?
So I'm a mining engineer. I'm actually a fifth generation miner from the States, living and working in Canada for the last 10 years. I ran into Amarillo as I was doing some consulting. I ran into Amarillo and realized what a tremendous opportunity there was. So I joined as CEO in 2018. I worked in Brazil twice before. I was with Kinross, did a mill expansion at the Paracatu mine in Minas Gerais state, and I was chief operating officer for Largo Resources and built the Maracás vanadium mine in Bahia state. Also on our board, we have David Lang, who was COO for Equinox when they did the Arizona mine build in Brazil. And we have Antenor Silva, who was a co-founder and former COO of Yamana. He was involved in building most of the Yamana operations in Brazil. So we have very good Brazilian construction and mining experience in our management team and on our board.
Very good. So then from what you can tell us before I let you go here today, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2021 going into 2022?
We're trading at about 30% of the NPV of the Poço project. Again, the project is shovel ready. We'll be starting construction soon. We do have the opportunity to grow the resource there. We just announced a drilling program, 15 holes that we drilled earlier this year. All 15 of those holes have hit an ore zone 4 kilometers north of Poço. We're starting to believe we can block out another 300,000 to 500,000 ounces there to expand the resource, extend the mine life, and improve the NPV. Also in the south, Lavras do Sur, we believe, will be a multi-million ounce district. We do have 500,000 ounces there today, working on our first 1 million ounces and working on putting together our second development project.
Very good. Well, Mike, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Amarillo Gold?
You can find us on the web at amarillogold.com. Yes.
Very good. All right. Well, Mike, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I look forward to our next update.
All right. Thank you, Robert. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Again, my name is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN Network. And we're a proud media sponsor for the Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek hybrid event happening right now, September 8th through the 11th. Amarillo Gold is there participating. Thank y'all for watching.